Hey everyone, Dan with MacRumors, and this video will serve as a bit of a public service announcement regarding Apple's battery replacement program coming to an end on December 31st. So you might remember infamous Batterygate, which began after it was discovered that Apple was throttling the performance of older iPhones with degraded batteries, leading to a resurgence of accusations that Apple deliberately slows down older iPhones. Following this discovery, Apple explained that it quietly implemented a power management feature in iOS 10.2.1 that slows down performance on older devices with degraded batteries to prevent shutdowns and other problems. iPhone batteries that have lost capacity are not able to meet the power demands of the processor at certain times of peak usage, which was causing a major issue with unexpected shutdowns. Apple said that the performance management features were not implemented to shorten the life of the iPhone and were instead added to provide the best possible experience for customers who want to use their devices for a long time. Despite Apple's explanations, customers were outraged that the company throttled processor performance without disclosing it, leading Apple to apologize and offer a discounted battery replacement program. In an iPhone that's suffering from poor performance due to a degraded battery, a fresh battery just solves the problem entirely. Customers who are affected by battery issues can receive a no questions asked battery replacement from Apple for $29. The battery replacement program is available for the iPhone SE, iPhone 6, and later devices up to the 2017 iPhone X. This $29 fee is for an out-of-warranty battery replacement. People with AppleCare Plus who are having battery issues can get a no-cost replacement. As I mentioned before, Apple's battery replacement program is set to end on December 31st, 2018. After that time, out-of-warranty battery replacements will cost $49 for most iPhones and $69 for the iPhone X. If you feel like your battery is not functioning properly and needs to be replaced, you can visit an Apple store or authorized service location for a repair, or you can send your phone in directly to an Apple Repair Center. You can also check your battery's health by opening up the Settings app, choosing Battery, and then selecting Battery Health. Here you'll find information about your battery's maximum capacity, its peak performance capability, and whether or not your iPhone is operating normally. So be sure to let us know your thoughts on this in the comment section down below, and of course subscribe to the channel and stay locked into MacRumors.com for more information. This has been Dan with MacRumors, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.